welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Excel chapter 8 simulation training. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your simulation training without any confusion. If you need any help with MyITLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Java, C++, and many more languages. And website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and others CMS and frameworks. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today simulation training and go through it step by step. This is a question number 1. In cell H9, enter a function to calculate the standard deviation of the test score samples in the range C4 to C53. Basically in this question you will have to calculate the standard deviation of the test scores that are given in the range C5 to C53. You can go to the cell H9 and write a formula equal to standard deviation. This formula are built in the Excel, and then write a range C4 to C53. You can see that standard deviation are calculated now. In cell I9, enter a function to calculate the variance of the test score samples in the range C5 to C53 equals to variance VA C4 and then press enter. The values are calculated successfully. Simultaneously format the results in cell H9 and I9 to display as whole numbers. Simply you can select these two ranges as a whole number. Question number 1 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, in cell J9, use the Corel function to test for a correlation between the test scores and attendance. Decimal points will auto-populate. The next question, question number 3 is, question number 3 is, select the range I12 to I14 and simultaneously insert the frequency function all of the cells to determine the frequency of student absence based on the criteria in the range H12 to H14. Divide the function by the number of records in the data to calculate the results as decimals. Then move to the next question, question number 4. Load the analysis toolbar add-in. You can type these. You can follow these steps. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is use ANOVA's single factor within the analysis toolpath to complete an analysis of the variance of a cross-section data sample of SAT scores from 3 high schools in the school district. Output the result in cell F7 and be sure to include labels in your result. You can go to the data tab and click on data analysis, then press OK, and now a single row, then press OK, then input the range, result of cell, select this range, then output range F7, then press enter. Adjust the column widths of range F7 to L21 to auto fit. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is on the combined score sample worksheet, use the analysis toolpath to create a covariance summary to analyze the trends between SAT scores and attendance. Use the output C3 to D153 and select labels in first row. Output the results in cell H3. Column I and J will widen automatically. You can go to the data analysis tab and select this option covariance, then input range C3 to D153. Simply drag the range on the last of the cell D153, D153, then new worksheet, output range is H3, then OK. Question number 6 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is create a histogram to document the frequency of absences in the high school. To complete the task, use the bins created in the range F4 to F6. Output the results in cell H8. Do not include column headings and select chart output. The chart position will auto-complete. Basically in this question you will have to create a histogram. Create a histogram based on frequency of absence in this high school. Click on this data analysis tab, then click on histogram, then input a range, F4 to F6. You can select the range, all range, D3 to D153, and you will have to insert a bin range F4 to F6 in bin range field. you will add a range f4 to f6. Then output range in the cell H8. Then press OK. The next question, question number 8. Sort column D smallest to largest. Sort column D smallest to largest. Then go to the data tab, A to Z, click on this. Then next is create a forecast sheet based on the range C3 to D153 forecasting up to 15 absences. Select the range, then go to data tab and create a forecast worksheet. Create this and you can see that the worksheet are created now. Apply chart style 12 to the forecast sheet. The next is position the chart so that the upper left corner of the chart align with the top left corner of cell F4. Chart will resize automatically. Go to the Home tab. Click on there, then right click, rename the worksheet forecast. Question number 8 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 9. Question number 9 is, with the educator assessment worksheet active, click any blank cell, click the insert tab, click insert scatter X, Y or bubble chart in the charts group and select scatter. Click select data in the data group, click add in the legend entry series pane, click in the series X value box and select the range C3 to C52. Click the series Y values, delete the current value and then select D3 to D53, click OK and then click OK. Go to this section, insert a scatter chart, click on this and choose a scatter chart. Click on the first one. You can see that the scatter chart are created now. Then select the data sources, series name in the series name text field, and series X value, type this and you can select all the range. Then Y values, enter 1 and then select D3 to D52 and then click OK, and then click OK. The next part is click add chart elements. Click the trend line arrow and select more trend line options. Click display equation on chart and display R squared value on chart. Accept all additional default options and close the format trend line pane. Click on this. You can choose the option display equation on chart. And then close the tab. Add salary analysis as the chart title. Click on the chart title and add a new title, salary analysis. Question are done now. Now move to the next question. Question number 10. Type intercept in cell G21. You can go to the cell G21 and type this type slope in cell G22. Click cell H21, type intercept and click Fx on the formula bar with the insertion point in the non_ys box. Select range D3 to D52 and press tab so the insertion point is in the non_xs box. Select range C3 to C52 and click OK. In H21 intercept and then click on fx non_ys. You can add a range D3 to D153 D52 sorry, and then press OK. Click cell H22, type slope D3 to D52, then C3 to C52 and press OK. Ctrl plus enter. Cell H22, you can go to the cell H22 and type a formula slope calculated. Now question number 10 are done now. Now move to the next question. Question number 11. Type RSQ in cell G23. You can go to the cell G23 and type RSQ. Type standard error in cell G24. You can simply type standard error in cell G24. Standard error. Click cell H23, type RSQ D3 to D52, C3 to C52 and press enter. You can type this formula on this equals to RSQ D3 to D52, this range, and the next range is C3 to C52 and then press enter. In cell H24 type STEYX formula D3 to D52, then C3 to C52, then press Ctrl plus enter. Question number 11 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 12. Question number 12 is click cell H3, type forecast dot linear, and the range is H2 D3 to D52, and the next range is C3 to C52, and press enter. Equals to forecast dot linear formula, and same type these H2 comma D3 to D52 and C3 to C52, then press OK. Type H3 plus H24 in cell H4 and press enter. You can type formula in. Are done. Type H22 multiplied by H2 plus H21 in cell K2 and press Ctrl plus enter. So you can go to the cell K2 equals to H22 multiplied by H2 plus H21 and then press enter. I have now completed full simulation training, 12 out of 12 questions. If you need any help with MyITLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA and many other countries. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.